Hi everyone, in this video we will see the initial configuration on the VMWARE ESXi. After turning on the server, we need to hold on that the following process finishes. It could take about 1 minute. Then press enter. And press F11. Then choose the partition in which you want to install the ESXi server. Then choose your language and configure a new root password. Then press enter again. And press F11 to install it. This process will take about 2 minutes. Then choose the first option. Remove the installation media before rebooting and press enter. In this point, the implementation has been completed. As you can see, the network setting uses DCP by default, but I don't have any DCP server on my network. So I will proceed to configure the network settings manually. In order to configure the network settings, press F2. You must type the password configured previously. Now go to Configure Management Network. Then choose IP4 configuration, and you have 3 options. In this case, I will choose the last option in order to configure the network parameters manually. Press enter to accept the configuration. Now press escape to exit the current menu. And then press Y to save the configuration. And then press escape again in order to go back to the main menu. Now open a browser and type the IP address that you configured. Remember that the username is root. Click on login, and finally we will see the dashboard's ESXi.